Sometimes you might hear from YouTube experts saying that you should publish every day to change the algorithm for your videos to getting pushed out. Actually, this is in fact false. You should rarely ever publish every day on YouTube. There are two reasons to show why you shouldn't publish every day. The primary reason is you'll be getting burned out first before the results shown. Second reason is, based on channel's market research and analysis, there is less capacity for that video to measure or reach a larger audience if you always upload brand new videos without building up your own audience. At that condition, your content will only get buried under new recent uploads. So publishing every day can be true unless you have capacity to actually make and publish good content every day, or your audience wants it. Next advice is posting shorts to get more subscribers. This is technically true but still a bad advice. First, shorts are easy to be consumed because they are short form content and usually people are gonna watch several shorts in less time. Let's see how channel makers explain about shorts.
A subscribe to a channel from the shorts feed tends to be more of a bookmark. Meaning maybe they watched a single short and they said, oh, that's interesting, I might want to watch more shorts from that channel.
But this can hurt your channel very bad. For example, if majority of your subs came from one single viral short and they are not ever watching your other contents, those subs are actually meaningless and useless. Those subscribers are only good when they match your other contents. Next advice, focusing on video tags. According to YouTube, tags play a minimal role in video discovery. So in 2023, you should spend less time on video tags. If you have installed VIDQ, look at the video scoreboard and you will see the video tags that the video owner put.
In the YouTube studio, simply type in one keyword and refresh VIDIQ's tag suggestions to give you hundreds of keywords you can add to video tags with a single click. Or alternatively, you can search for a video on YouTube, reveal all its video tags, copy them and paste the ones you want into your video.
You can get all these tools through the link in the description. Last, if you want to learn more YouTube hacks, don't hesitate to give me a subscribe to grow your channel effectively.